Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston. I'm aboard the beautiful 2023 32 Aviara. This one's powered with twin 300 Mercs with joystick drive. If you haven't seen an Aviara, you've got to come check these out. One of the best engineered boats in the industry. They really thought it out well. We've got a big suntan bed in the back, but you can see we've reclined the seats. And here's one of my favorite features. It's got stadium seating on the back as well. So this is great for hanging out, watching the kids swim, or hanging out at Party Cove, just having a good time. We've got a beautiful sure shade that comes out over us. If we do want shade, great feature. And they're where theirs is designed, it's just incredible. Here's another feature I love on this boat. You don't often see this on boats, but they thought of everything on this one. Check out the fender storage. Come on aboard, I want to show you some of the other great features this boat has. Moving forward, you'll see they've actually got some shape to their seats. That takes a lot more trouble to build them this way. But the way they've got them curved, extremely comfortable the way they curved it up here. Check out all the drink holders, beautiful stereo grills, nice grab handles where they need to be. This boat's got a really nice functional wet bar. Huge storage cabinet here. And check this out, we've got Aviara cooler here. And right across from it, we've got another one. These are portable, so it makes them really versatile. Coming forward, we've got a beautiful helm area. 3 computer screens. We've got one for all your boat systems. You control all your lighting, stereo, pumps, sunroof, everything right here. Navigation screen, GPS, fish finder. And then you've got your screen for your Mercury outboards. And we talked earlier about the joystick drive system. This boat is so much fun to drive. Notice how they cut this out so you can get to the cleat. I tell you, this is one of the best engineered boats I've ever seen. Nice locker for your VHF radio. Drink holders everywhere. These drink holders actually keep the drinks cool too. Here's a great feature for day cruising. Look at that huge head compartment. In fact, I'm going to get in there for you. Plenty of room to stand up. Nice sink. Great place to change clothes. Got a mirror made into the door. We've got a magnet holding the door open so you're out bumping around in the waves. This is a cool feature here too. And while I'm standing here, I want you to see all the side depth we got. Great freeboard on this boat. It's a nice, safe boat for your whole family. But they made great use of the storage. This is not only a trash can, it's a big trash can. I love this bolster here too. It's great if you're hanging out entertaining, but it also makes a great alternate co-pilot seat. Great leaning post here. These guys did a good job on their walk-through door. You completely keep the wind out. I like the side entry because it gives you some really great alternative seating up front. Now this cushion here is actually removable, so you can have a forward-facing bench, or you can have the cushion in place, have you a nice lounger. Once again, look at all the freeboard we have here for your family. Keep the kids and your guests all contained and safe. On the front of the boat, we've got a windlass anchor controlled from the helm. And I always like to point out how well they finish. Look at the anchor locker on this boat. It is as shiny and beautiful as the rest of the whole boat is. And that's an anchor locker. Just think of all the wonderful construction this boat has. Stainless steel gas struts. They don't cut any corners anywhere. Here's another great feature, another ice chest up in the front of the boat. This thing is just loaded with features. I've just given you a fraction of them. This is one of the best sunshades I've seen on a boat. The heavy duty hardware, all the stainless steel components. This thing's made to hold up to some really tough wind actually. Look how far out it goes. It completely covers that sunbed if you want it to, or you can retract it all the way in or partially the way in. It's just a really good setup. And you just hit a button and it does all its own deal. Love the way they did these knee joints here. And watch how well it retracts into the roof of the boat. Y'all come check this boat out, and we've got the larger Aviaras in stock too. My name is Paul. I'm here at MarineMax in Houston. I'll be glad to take care of you.